Hi young traders. So today we are going to start an API trading series from basics to advanced level where you are going to learn all the basics of Python which is required for your automated trading to the extent that we will be using live data from the India's best data vendor, that is GFDL, and using these two inputs we will be able to generate your own trading bots which can be automated end to end using your own favorite broker. Hi, my name is Archit Mittal. I am going to be your instructor in this playlist. Hi, my name is, we are going to cover each and everything and help you out in all your queries via the comments. And help you out in all. So today we are going to start with the introduction series, and this is an introductory video for the so today we are going to basics of Python as well as GFDL APIs. Let's start. So you are seeing the screen in which we have the API trading module. This will be the first session of your basics class. And in this, we will be understanding why exactly we do use Python. And apart from Python, why not any other language is suitable. Secondly, I will also be guiding you how you can install Python as well as its IDE in this video itself. Before going to that section, I want you to get an agenda of this complete playlist so that we have your expectations set right. Before going to that section, in the next 7 videos, you are going to learn about Python. All the basics of Python, all the modules of Python, which are absolutely necessary for API trading, all the libraries which are exactly necessary for automating your systems without adding or subtracting or making complications in the library in the Python language, we will be learning all these things. Then after these 7 videos, we will be going ahead and introducing GFDL APIs, which are the core data APIs we are using for this playlist. And using those GFDL APIs, we are going to connect live market data as well as historical market data, which is coming to your feed inside the Python program itself. When we will be moving ahead in this space, now as you have Python ready, you have the GFDL APIs ready, now we will be moving ahead to connect a very favorite tool of all the traders, that is Excel sheet. We will be connecting this Excel sheet to the Python as well as the GFDL APIs so that you can see real-time data connected to your Excel sheets. You can even place orders also from this Excel sheet itself. So this Excel sheet will behave as a trading execution platform for your own specific requirements. You can customize it, you can modify it as per your requirement, completely as per your choice. If you are excited for this thing, comment down below. We are super excited. Then when we move ahead, we will also be seeing how you can automate your trading systems or your trading strategies from end to end with your favorite broker using these technologies which we are learning in the next 7 to 10 videos. I have a very humble request from all of you to please see all the videos from start to end. Try to practice everything. Even if you know the things, try to practice out, because I have designed the course. I have designed this playlist in such a manner so that you will be only concentrated to the parts which are required for API trading. When you are moving ahead, there are multiple things in Python which you are learning but not as such required in API trading, and making your life much more complex also. I have simplified down all the things in this playlist so that you can have a relaxed, a normal journey and move ahead with the best outcome of this playlist. So let's begin without any further ado. I will be telling you what you should download and what are the prerequisites you should have before moving on to the next lecture of this series, so that you can plan out the things with you. You can give your own specific time for learning and you can actually implement via hands-on learning projects in this series. So let's begin. Open your Google and please type Python download. As you will be clicking on this thing, click on the first link, and this yellow button which is seen, whichever laptop you have, just click it. It is completely free of cost. You don't have to pay anyone anything. I have this thing installed in my computer, so I will be moving forward. Second thing which I want you to download is VS Code download. You go to the first link again. Based on your system, whether it's a Windows, Mac or Linux, download this system in your computer. Now, I would give you one task before moving on to the next video. If you are facing any difficulties in installing Python or VS Code, please go ahead, see the YouTube. There are multiple thousands of videos which are out there, smaller videos which you can refer to for the installation guides. Still, if you face any problems, please comment down below. Me and my team will be very happy to move forward and help you out with the proper correct installation. Now the main question arises, Archit, what is VS Code? We have heard about Python, but we have not heard about VS Code. So VS Code is like a notebook for you. So as you have a notebook, in top of that notebook, you write your language, whether it is English, Hindi, Kannada, anything. Same way, when you are using VS Code is a notebook for the language to write. Python is a language, VS Code is the notebook where you can write your language and execute your programs. It is very easy to operate these two things. You don't have to do much things. And when I will be starting the next video, you will be seeing how easy it is for you to move forward. I want two prerequisites from all of you. First, you should be knowing basic English and basic arithmetics. At least you should know if x equals to 10 and y equals to 20, then what is x plus y? The second prerequisite I want from you is the eagerness to learn. See, trading as well as coding, both of these things require immense focus, immense concentration to get success in your life. So, and you are learning the second most complicated thing, that is coding. Trading, I am hoping that you guys have mastered, right? So we will be moving ahead with your full concentration, your eagerness to learn, and your dedication to give some time for this project so that you will be able to develop your risk management systems, your automated trading systems, your customized strategies, which is not easily available in any of the other platforms which are available in India. I'm repeating again, we will be using the best data vendor in India, that is GFDL, for this series so that you will never face any difficulties in your data when you are going for the stock market challenge. At last, I just want to say, without learning, a human cannot possibly go very far in their lives. I wish all of you all the best, and I hope I'll see you in the next video and we'll start this learning journey together. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video. All the best.